ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਖਾਸ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲੋਵਰਡੇਲ ਖੇਤਰ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਬਣਨ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਖੇਤਰ ਦਾ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਟ੍ਰੀਟਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਵੀ ਬਣੇਗਾ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਜੌਨ ਹੌਰਗਨ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸੂਬੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਨਵੀਂ ਸਹੂਲਤ ਜੋ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਇਲਾਜ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਹੀ, ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹੋਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਹੂਲਤਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ। ਰਿਸਰਚ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ, ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਵੀ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਧੁਨਿਕ ਤਕਨੀਕ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ, ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਹੈਲਥ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਹੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕੇਗੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਕਰਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸੂਬੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ 7ਵਾਂ ਰੀਜਨਲ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਰੀ ਮੈਮੋਰੀਅਲ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ, ਐਬਸਫੋਰਡ, ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ, ਕਲੋਨਾ, ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸ ਜਾਰਜ ਤੇ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਇਹ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਜੌਨ ਹੌਰਗਨ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਦੇ ਮਰੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅਹਿਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਮਰੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਇਲਾਜ ਸਮੇਂ ਸਿਰ ਮਿਲਣਾ, ਤੇ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੋ ਸਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਵਾਂ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਉਹ ਕਾਫੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਦਦਗਾਰ ਸਾਬਤ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਕਰਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੂਜਾ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਐਲਾਨ ਦਸੰਬਰ 2019 ਵਿੱਚ ਸੂਬਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਕਲੋਵਰਡੇਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਆਂਟਲਿਨ ਪੋਲੀਟੈਕਨਿਕ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਨਾ ਹੈ।
And we're fortunate that we rank among the best in the world when it comes to cancer outcomes. For almost 3 years now, we've been working as best as we can to improve those already positive outcomes. And while there are new treatments every day and every corner creates a new opportunity, we need to be prepared and we need to make sure that we're making investments, strategic investments in the public health and well-being of British Columbians, and that's why we're here today. I'm proud to announce that a new regional BC Cancer Treatment Centre will be part of the new Surrey Hospital here in Cloverdale. Half of British Columbians will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime, and many of those cases will be right here in Fraser Health, the fastest growing part of British Columbia. Nothing is more important than the health of our family, the health of our loved ones. And when dealing with cancer, to know that there's a clinic populated by the best possible healthcare providers in the world in your neighborhood is very, very positive news for everyone. The new Surrey Hospital, which is at the concept planning stage now, will have this cancer centre added to it, making it a significant investment here in Fraser Health. And I know Dr. Lee will be talking about that, as well as Dr. Chi, on the importance of having a cancer clinic here in the Fraser Health Authority. And we've been making improvements not just in cancer treatment, not just in the delivery of other services, but we've been seeing a rebound in our elective surgeries. Minister Dix, regrettably, when we made the decision, we both talk about that quite frequently, when the pandemic hit, the toughest decision that we had to make was cancelling elective surgeries for people right across the province. But we've seen a very positive rebound because of the commitment of healthcare workers, doctors, ER nurses, or operating room nurses and others in the system to make sure that we can bounce back as quickly as possible. New MRIs, new other diagnostic treatment capacity across the province also leads to better outcomes. And in conclusion, I just want to thank all of the healthcare providers who have been on the front lines over the past number of months and indeed over the past number of years, making British Columbia the envy of Canada when it comes to delivering services, making British Columbia the envy of Canada when it comes to treating cancer. And with a new cancer clinic, a cancer centre here at the new Surrey Hospital, Fraser Health is in very, very good hands. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'd like to thank the Honourable Premier Horgan, Honourable Minister Dix, and the Government of British Columbia for bringing us together today for this very exciting announcement. It's a real pleasure to be speaking today on behalf of BC Cancer and the Provincial Health Services Authority. We are very excited to partner with the Ministry of Health and Fraser Health on this important project. As Premier Horgan mentioned, Surrey is one of the fastest growing communities in Canada, and with that, the incidence of cancer will continue to grow. By 2027, it is expected that there will be a 50% increase in the number of people being diagnosed with cancer. In the Fraser Health region, this will represent 1 in 3 of all the new cancers that are diagnosed across BC. Opening a second BC Cancer Regional Centre in Surrey will help BC Cancer, PHSA, and Fraser Health better serve the needs of the community as we prepare to meet this rising demand. The new Surrey Cancer Centre layout will facilitate the transformation of cancer care to a more patient-centred approach by focusing care around the patient with team-based care, multidisciplinary clinics, and enhanced digital health facilities. The new centre itself will be a state-of-the-art and bring the latest in technology and modern cancer treatments to our patients in Surrey. This centre will host the largest precision radiation therapy program in the Fraser Health region. In a first for the Fraser Health region, the centre will also feature a state-of-the-art functional imaging and treatment centre with 2 PET CT scanners, a cyclotron, and a targeted radiopharmaceutical program. Throughout this COVID-19 pandemic, the burden of cancer on our patients has not stopped, and cancer care has continued throughout the province. Increased use of digital health or virtual health is one example of how we have adapted to keep our patients safe and our staff safe as well. But also it provides a means to bring care directly to patients in their own homes. The new Surrey Cancer Centre will be designed and staffed to optimize digital tools like this to deliver care more effectively, safely, and conveniently for our patients. I'd like to personally thank the teams and medical professionals at BC Cancer and Fraser Health who have come to work together collaboratively over the past many months to plan this new cancer centre. So on behalf of BC Cancer, all our staff and physicians, our thanks to Premier Horgan, Minister Dix, PHSA, and Fraser Health